Introducing the Brother P-touch PT-P950W Professional Network Labelling Machine. Create durable, easy-to-read labels in many colours and sizes. Use P-touch editor software and USB connectivity to design and print sequential labels. The half-cut function makes labels easy to peel and apply. Easily create labels from existing spreadsheet data. You can integrate the PT-P950W into your system using USB, Ethernet, Wi-Fi, or optional Bluetooth, and a lithium-ion battery base is available to enable portable use. Many types of barcode protocol can be printed, and specialised apps can be implemented by developers. The touch panel display unit, in conjunction with the battery base, enables standalone operation. Customise the TDU keyboard as needed by printing black on clear labels. You can preload labels to enable the machine to print without a PC. P-touch laminated labels can be used inside and outside. They're resistant to extreme cold and heat, chemicals, abrasion, water, and sunlight. The Brother P-touch PT-P950W Professional Network Labelling Machine.